Looking to personalize your Twitter profile by adding your location on your PC? Here's a simple guide to help you do just that. Begin by locating and clicking on your profile image situated at the top right corner of the screen. This will open up a menu with various options. Next, find and click on the Edit Profile button positioned in the top right corner of the page. This will allow you to make changes to your profile settings. Once in the Edit Profile section, ensure to uncheck the box that says, Show My Vine Profile if it is checked. This step ensures that only the desired information is displayed on your profile. Now look for the text box labeled Location on your profile page. Click on this text box to enable editing. Enter your specific location details into the text box. This could be your city, state, or any location you wish to share with your followers. To save the changes and update your profile with the new location information, click on the Save Changes button at the bottom of the page. By following these straightforward steps, you can effortlessly add your location to your profile on X, Twitter, using your PC. Enhance your profile and connect with your audience on a more personal level by sharing your location information. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more social media tutorials and tips to elevate your online presence.